Hey everyone, and welcome back to Business Guide. What companies and small businesses need is a way to get the algorithms of those social media sites to advertise their videos and recommend them to users. They do this by paying people to watch their videos. You can earn by doing what you already do, watch videos. It is simple and lucrative and a whole lot of fun, so check it out. Today we're going to be talking about how to make money online watching YouTube videos. Make sure you stay until the end, as you don't want to miss how to really start collecting a lot of money just by watching videos online. Number 1, make a PayPal. When you earn, you need a place to put that money. If it is cash, you keep that money in your wallet. So what if you earn digitally? With today's money making method, you'll be earning digitally, so where do you keep your money? The answer is an online wallet. An online wallet is a wallet that holds your money online. And PayPal is the most secure online wallet out there. You will want to sign up for a PayPal account because that is one way to earn through the methods we will be looking at today. PayPal allows you to earn and spend money in an easy way. You can send money, you receive money from other PayPal accounts instantly. You can add bank accounts and bank cards to your account. If you want to withdraw money, you can easily do so by withdrawing your funds to a bank account, then withdrawing it at an ATM. It happens quickly and conveniently. So now is the time to sign up for PayPal. First, go to the PayPal website, then look at the top of the page for the sign up button. Click on that. Now, you will be brought to a page that asks you if you would like to make a personal account or a business account. Select the personal account. Now, it will ask you for your email address and a password. Make sure to enter a valid email address. For the password, choose something secure and never tell anyone what it is. You want your money to stay as secure as possible. Now, hit enter. You're all set. Additionally, PayPal has a mobile app that you can download. This app has all the features of the website in a compact form. You can send, receive, and transfer monies normally through it. You can also withdraw within the app. It's very convenient for earning on the go. Number 2, go to the PlayerUp website. Basically, what we are doing today is similar to a dropshipping service. We will be earning through one service but fulfilling it with another service. Say you get paid $20 to fulfill a task, but you hire someone for $10 to fulfill that task. You will still get $10 for basically doing nothing. We will be doing that today. So you will want to go to the PlayerUp website. This website is easy to navigate, but first you need to sign up. Go to the top of the page and click on the login or sign up button. You can log in with Facebook, Twitter, Google, Steam, or just enter your email address. Then create a password. It is that simple and you are ready to go. On this website, you can sell many different things, such as Clash of Clans accounts or Facebook likes. Number 3, go to the Add Me Fast website. Some companies are looking for ways to get more engagement for their social media posts. The way they do this is by getting people to watch their videos and comment and share. Not everyone is lucky enough to instantly get this kind of engagements, so they are willing to pay people to watch videos. There are thousands of companies that will pay you to watch their videos. One of the sites that hosts these videos is Add Me Fast. On this website, you can get paid to watch many different kinds of videos. On Add Me Fast, you'll be watching from your choice of social media, and that account will gain views while you gain currency, which is called coins on this website. This website is absolutely free to join. All you need to do to start earning is an Add Me Fast account. To make an account, you need to sign up. Do this by going to their website, looking for the button that says sign up and clicking it. Then enter a valid email address and a password. Then click sign up. That's it. Number 4, navigate the website. Now, you will need to navigate the website. Add Me Fast is pretty easy to navigate. On the left side of the page, you will see a whole list of social media platforms that you can watch videos from. You will also see at the top of the page a coin-based currency system. This is the key of how you will be earning, but it is a multiple step system, so stay tuned on how to use these coins. Number 5, watch YouTube videos. Now, you need to watch YouTube videos. This is the simplest part. You can scroll on the left side of the page on Add Me Fast and click on YouTube. Then a window will pop up. When the window pops up, watch the video in the window. You will need to only watch around 30 seconds of it. Watch as many videos as you can to earn as many coins as you can. These coins will be important later. These videos were posted on this site because the user wanted the gamer more views. More views means more engagement. More people will want to like, comment, and share, and that boosts the YouTube algorithm and tells to recommend the video to other people. That will get them even more views and engagements. So you will help them out while earning at the same time. It's a win-win situation. Number 6, sell Facebook likes on PlayerUp. On PlayerUp, you can buy and sell likes for Facebook. This is one of the things we will be doing today. Facebook likes can be important for companies. These likes can boost their posts and encourage more engagement. A company that receives a lot of likes will also seem more reliable, and companies want that. Now, you will be selling Facebook likes for those who are looking for them. First, go to your PlayerUp account. Now, set up a listing for Facebook likes. Set your price, maybe $10 or $5. It's completely up to you. Now, follow the next step to learn how to actually get this fulfilled. Number 7, set up a page on Add Me Fast. Now, you need to fulfill these orders. Getting likes manually will be impossible for you to do on your own, so you will need to enlist the help of other people. Remember Add Me Fast? You'll be returning to this site again. Go to the website and log in. Once you are there, look on the top left of the left side panel and click Add Site Page. Once you click that, fill out the form. Select what you want to be gamering. In this case, Facebook likes. Then select how many you want. Maybe your client requested 500 for the price of $10. Set this part to 500 likes. For countries, select worldwide, then put in the page URL. The page URL will be provided to your client on the PlayerUp site. Then select how many coins you want to give out per click. That is why your coins are important, because you'll be giving them out as rewards for those who give the page a like. Then you're all set. This can work for many different social media platforms, as we will discover later on in this video, so stick around to find out how to do it on Instagram, YouTube, and even TikTok. Number 8, sell views on TikTok or PlayerUp. TikTok is growing rapidly in popularity. This site is home to many up-and-coming internet celebrities, and these internet celebrities will want more views on their TikToks. Whether it be dancing, cooking, painting, this app is full of content that needs to be viewed. And viewing it is easy since the time limit on all videos is 1 minute. Now it is time to sell views. To sell views, like previous steps, go to your PlayerUp account. Now set up a listing that says you will be selling TikTok views. Then go to Add Me Fast and add a page for TikTok views. Tons of people will view it and your client will be satisfied. Number 9, sell likes on Instagram on PlayerUp. Instagram is one of the top social media platforms out there. On this app, you can like photos and videos. This site has many influencers and people who want to be influencers. In order to be one, you will need to get a lot of likes. Likes and followers can be hard to come by. That is where you come in. First, go to your PlayerUp account. Again, like with the Facebook likes, and you will set up a listing. This time, you could sell likes or followers. Set your price accordingly. Fulfill these likes and follows through Add Me Fast. Select the option for Instagram likes or follows according to what you are selling. Then people will start following that account and liking their content. That will lead to a happy client and a great reputation. Number 10, sell views on YouTube on PlayerUp. YouTube is a video sharing site that is full of content. In fact, it has millions and millions of videos for anyone to view. Sadly, not all of these videos get views. Some people want their videos to reach other people, and in order to do so, it has to run with the YouTube algorithm. The algorithm works in your favor when you get likes and comments, so some people are willing to pay for these likes. You can be one of the people that gets paid to sell likes. Here is how you can be part of this. Like with the other steps, first you need to go to your PlayerUp account. Then make a listing saying that you will sell YouTube views. Set your price, then go to Add Me Fast and set up a page so people can view that video that your client requested views on. Thanks for watching. While you're here, go ahead and click on one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there.